Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I've gotten something that I think is going to excite you guys, and I would like to share with you. So, I came across this open source web application that is absolutely free to use, and also is designed to help enhance your web hacking skills. Whether you are a newbie or maybe just curious to kind of understanding more about web application vulnerability, this tool is definitely worth checking out. Um, before we actually before I actually show you some things on the website, let me just talk a little bit about this website. So it's basically an open source web application that's essentially uh, working in a controlled environment. So it lets you practice web hacking techniques in safe and in educational manner. And also it is built to simulate reward vulnerabilities that you might encounter out there in digital realm. So there's no risk of causing any alarm because it's actually done in a secure environment. I've tried it myself, and you can actually try a lot of payloads on there. You can actually practice different kind of web application hacking on this website. It's realistic simulations. You can perform like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and much more. Uh, it's like having a virtual playground, to understand how this vulnerability works. Um, if One thing I want to show is always getting updated often with what I research about it, and the more exciting about this is just absolutely free. So whether you are looking to dive in the world of ethical hacking, it has a cybersecurity skill, maybe you're simply satisfying your um, curiosity, highly recommend giving this open source web application a shot. I believe it's a fantastic opportunity to learn and grow as well. So let me just show you few things I've tried. You can actually go into the website and just do more practice and dig in more on the website. So it's just like a basic, more of like a banking site. So we have the login here, user and login. We have the search bar here. Um, I've tried different vulnerabilities, tested different vulnerabilities on this website, IDOL, HTML injection, cross scripting, SQL, everything works fine. So let me quickly show you. Um, let's just try this cross-site scripting injection. I have put some text, something on the test file here just to easily to copy and paste. So let's copy here. Let's put it here. Actually, see we have a pop-up here, so it's actually unable to cross-site scripting. Let's try HTML injection. Yeah, let's copy this one. Let's go. You can see it's also vulnerable to HTML injection. See, um, let's try um, SQL injection here. This particular query is going to bypass the login. We're going to should be able to get admin panel on this one. Let's see. Let's put it here. You actually put anything you want here. right? Sorry, the pass. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Try again. Okay. Yeah, I think that was something wrong with the query. So yeah, you can see it got admin panel. So you can actually do different kind of testing here. I've gone ahead to try some idols and it works perfectly. So yeah, that's basically what I found out over the week, and I feel like it's something I can share with you guys. Feel free to dive into this website and just practice more and just dig in more, try different kind of texting and vulnerabilities on this website. Uh, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And this video is for educational purposes only. Do not hack into any application you are not permitted or given permission to do so. Always seek permission before you hack into any application or a network or a system. So guys, I will see you on the next video. Do have a blessed day or night wherever you are.